How's that?
It's good, but it's not low.
We gotta look at the price tag. Hold on. We might take this bitch home. Oh my god, this is
No,
love right
this
here.
one is
Really?
Try this one.
This feels amazing. Hold on. I like that red one though. Look at the red leather.
No,
Oh
this
shit, look at
no,
that
but
red
this one's
leather.
kind of high.
But damn, it feels good.
I told you that one's banging.
It does feel good. Oh shit. I
It's
like
an
this.
executive chair.
Yo, it feels good though. I like it.
No, this one is banging.
The red one is nice, but I don't know. It's a
This one's a lazy
It's a posture Peter.
This one's a lazy boy.
That one is staying here. Look at this though. This right
I don't
here.
like that one.
Try it again though.
I
Try it
don't-
again. Sit there and sit all the way back.
Well, no, now I like it better.
How is it?
It's alright.
Hold on. Hold the. It's my turn. I'm gonna try this. Hold on.
Let's see this fucking guy.
Oh god, this feels amazing, baby. Look at this.
It is a comfortable chair, but
Very
this
comfortable.
one,
We gotta check
the
if
lazy boy.
Let's check if it. We're taking this one.
I don't like that
Decision
one. That one's
made.
gonna get dirty and ugly.
How about they have different colors?